Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send money on PayPal with only an email address. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe for a chance to win a brand new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, you have to open your PayPal account. And when you're in your PayPal account, you can tap on this personalized payments with new stickers, emojis and more, send money now icon, or just you can go down to the basic send money tab, and here you can type in any email address to send the money to that recipient. But take note that you can only send money to email addresses which are connected to a PayPal account. So you cannot send money to someone who don't have a PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one.